So I've had this spin bike, right? The Sunny Health and Fitness bike. I've had this for a number of years now. Am I the quintessential athlete? No, but I'm a regular human being. Having this bike has made a significant difference. Basically, a few years later, it's still a consistent workhorse for me. It's good to have something next to me so that way when it does come time, I could just activate it. This is still a good bike. Over a few years later, this bike is still solid, still doing what it's supposed to do. But I'm a model of a human being. And so I'm allowed to do something like have an exercise equipment, get on it by myself, motivate by myself. I have my bike there that I do for errands. But one of the things with having a spin bike and your cardio level can stay consistent. It's not as, say for instance, like a regular bike. With a regular bike, what you're doing is you're biking to a trail. You might have to stop. There's lights, there's all those things that are involved. With a spin bike, you're battling time and you're putting in your own energy towards it. That's the best way I can describe it. Whatever you exert on that pedal, it goes 100% on that pedal, and I can keep it consistently. So that's the big thing. And I've checked my cardio when I ride my bike, right? Even to the beach from here to the beach is maybe about 6-8 miles, whatever, right? So I've checked my cardio when I ride to the beach, and I've also checked it if I'm on here for 30 minutes, for the same amount of time that it takes for me to run to the beach. Guess what? This does it. This does it for cardio. This does it for strength. So just to recap, this is just a few years still having this Sunny Health and Fitness bike. It's still a great bike for me. I enjoy it. I want to thank everyone for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Comment if you have comments, right? Like, right? And share. That's all. I hope you guys just all be safe, right? And enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you.